Hello, welcome to another short session where we are going to solve one of mathematics question. The question here is binary operation, and from this question we were given two binary operations, and we are going to evaluate the given expression. So from this question, given that star and delta are two binary operations defined as so from this you have A star B, of course A star bracket B delta C equals to A times B minus C. So from this delta and the star operation, you can actually see how these binary operations are related to normal operations we know addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so forth. So from here, from definition given, we were given A star B delta C. This is equal to A multiply by B minus C. So in simple terms, the star operation then corresponded to multiplication sign, and delta operation correspond to subtraction sign. So if we only understand this connection, we can be able to solve this question here. So how do we evaluate A star B? Then you have delta A star C. We are going to write, so you have A, which is 2, star B, which is 5, delta, you have A again, it is 2, star C, which is equal to 4. The fact that star is already multiplication, so this is going to be 10 delta 8, which is equal actually to 10 minus 5, 10 minus 8, and eventually we get 2. So the value of this expression here, after evaluating all this expression here, we are getting 2, dear students. And that is solution for this kind of question here. If it is your first time to be here, don't consider to leave without subscribing. I wish all the best in mathematics learning journey. See you in the coming session. Kwaherini.